So, Kylan, what we do while we wait for Supercharging? Come and grab something to eat.
Come to eat, come to eat. Come to eat, come to eat.
We come to eat while we charge up. No problem at all. We come to eat while no problem at all. Oh, look at my that drink hard. That second drink hard. My son, look, he got him a little. What you got, son?
So tender mac and cheese.
Yeah, I got the little burger. I'm trying to eat. I'm trying to be on my diet. Peace. All right, Stank. Me and my little guy, we leaving to get something to eat from, what's the name of the place, Stank?
Tombo 22.
He full. You full?
Yeah.
We was charging up the car right quick while we was grabbing something to eat. And we just doing it just because. She need her charging port. How long we got? Alright, it's time to go. We ain't gonna do 100%. Bam, right at 90%, baby. Just in time. You know what? I'm gonna go and wait till 1 minute for. Like that. You full? You nice and full? We nice and full while he charged up. We out. Just like that. So it's not that hard. Welcome, hey, welcome to the Tesla family.
No, you want, I have a Tesla, but I'm just desperate to get a charge.
Gotcha.
No. I was like, I'm looking for the adapter because I'm at the charge point and it's too slow.
Right. You be all day. Have a good one, okay?
No, thank you.
EV, baby. EV, baby. Peace.